Hey guys, what's up? It's McNeil again from Automotive, and today, first of all, I just want to thank you guys for subscribing and checking out our videos so far. And for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, I'll just give you a minute to, hit that button. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. You guys are helping our new channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Okay. Second thing in the housekeeping here is I'd like to thank you guys for the comments you leave in the bottom, because it gives me an idea of what you want to know and what you want to hear, so I can make a video with that content for you, because it kind of give me ideas of what next video to make. Okay. So thank you, and I appreciate it. Now, enough of wasting your time. Let's get into it. So today I'm going to be answering how much does a auto repair slash dealer insurance cost? So insurance policy. So how much does a policy cost for a auto dealer? What do we pay? So that's a very complicated question to answer. It's kind of like your own personal driver's insurance, if you look at it, right? I might have a better driving record than you, so I might be paying maybe $300 a month, and you can be paying $600 a month or $400 a month, right? So it's kind of similar to personal policies. So it's very difficult to answer that and give you a very specific answer. However, I can tell you a range as to what we've been paying and what has changed in our policy, so you can have an idea of what to expect. So I started this business back in 2013, and in 2013, my insurance policy ballpark was just under $300, and for $300, I had two dealer plates. So each dealer plate you have, there is a certain amount premium that you pay for that, obviously. And we started dealership with about 6 to 7 cars on the lot, and the insurance also taking consideration the value of the inventory that you have, and those cars were fairly cheap anyway. And then on myself, they do consider if you have the dealer plate strictly or specifically for business use, meaning do you have a personal plate or not. Now, when I just opened up the dealership back in 2013, I did have personal insurance. I had a pickup truck, plus I had my dealer policy, so that's why it was under $300. Eventually, the price went up to about $400, and what had changed in my policy was I had a little bit more inventory, so I was up to about 12 cars, and I sold my truck, and I no longer had personal insurance. So my dealer insurance was business slash personal use, and I had two. You have to let them know how many people are using the plate for personal use. So my wife and I, so we had two drivers as business and personal use, but we also had good driving record, no parking, no tickets or any of that kind of stuff. So 400 and something odd dollars was reasonable. Then the most I ever paid for a dealer policy was up to about $600. At that time, we had a little over 40 cars in inventory. I had 4 dealer plates, and I had 2 locations. So we had the retail lot, and then we had the shop. So service shop, there's extra premium liability, welding, fire, basically slip and fall, the value of the building. There's lots, like insurance is very, very, very complicated, but hopefully that gives you an idea. So based on the size of your business, like I said, in my personal experience, my policy has ranged from under $300 to a little north of $600. And some of the factors that insurance take into consideration is your driving record personally and any tickets that you have, the size of your location and the value of your inventory, and how many dealer plates you have. So these are the 3 main things that they look at. And obviously your tenants, there will be some sort of a tenancy insurance in that policy as well, in case you burn down the landlord building or there's vandalism or all that kind of stuff. If you're in a bad neighborhood, your policy will also be a bit higher because you're at risk of vandalism or theft and all that stuff too. So again, insurance is very complicated, but at least you have an idea and you don't think that, oh my God, it's going to be $1,500 a month, right? So it's reasonable. It depends on locations and a lot of factors. Hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.